Do you want to tell us what this is?
Yeah, so with the concrete effect, you kind of want the fondant to dry out a little bit, so whenever you can kind of combine it, it leaves like this trail. I don't know if you can kind of see, like all of this texture right here is kind of what you're looking for. And that kind of gives it this unique movement.
And what inspired the concrete?
Jasmine Ray is my favorite cake designer. She's based out of San Francisco, I believe. And she kind of came up with this technique. And when I first tried it, I mean, the moment I saw it, I fell in love with it. And I think, of course, I had to try it myself. So, and then of course I saw it and I really loved it. And I just did like a mix of the neutrals, but doing something a little bit edgier with the black, but also including some of this blush in here would kind of make it a little bit girly.